Father, help me stop this. Russian blood into the head. Look at you and I see red. Stop your game, I'll end it. By this hate that you helped the world create, I've been sent and I'll repent. I'm the one that comes to you, the plague that follows through. I've been told you've been warned to stop the hatred you have spawned, the crimes you have asked to pay. By this movement manifest, Lord, now put you to the test, yet you fail. Now the blind will follow you, while burning hell with you. All by myself, I know that I stand here alone. Oh, your lies, they feed me. I'm stronger now than I was before. There's no way you can hurt me, move me, stop me. You talk too much, motherfucker, hush. Get a chance to change things, move in the direction of right. Chose to set a fire, but then you had to pick a fight. So what's that it done for you lately? But you're always stealing candy from my baby. Line your pockets with mucha dinero, paid and go with the blood of the people. So now you got the fighters rocking for the hate. Then you got the people talking legacy, where you will never be forgotten. Your place in history, a black market time, a black market time. All by myself, I know that I stand here alone. All your lies, they feed me. I'm stronger now than I was before. There's no way you can hurt me, move me, stop me. Some flowers will kill the superpower. The fall of Rome is near. Can't you hear? It's been written, it's been said. The revelations I have read, the signs I hear, those days are over. Walk away from the line. For now is the time. All by myself, I know that I stand here alone. All your lies, they feed me. I'm stronger now than I was before. There's no way you can hurt me.